Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here. I hope you are doing well today. It is pretty cold outside, minus 26 Celsius here in BC, Canada. And for today's recipe, I have a thin crepes skin recipe, which is Palacsinta. It is Hungarian. I shared the recipe quite a couple of times before, and it's pretty easy to make. In Indonesia, we have similar crepe called dadar gulung, but our dadar gulung or palacsinta or thin crepes always filled with coconut or chocolate or banana. Banana chocolate, or the most common is coconut. But for the next palacsinta or thin crepes, rolled pancakes from Hungary, it is filled with turo, which is Hungarian style farmer's cheese. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! For the wet ingredients, if you can hear, my cat is meowing. He's right next to me watching me making this vlog. This is 6 eggs with 1 cup of full fat milk and 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla blend. We're just gonna whisk it until completely combined before we add in our dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, this is 4 cups of flour, strong baker's enriched flour, with 6 tablespoons of sugar and half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Just mix it. We're gonna add our dry ingredients a little at a time to our wet ingredients. Just whisk it until combined nicely and no lumps. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of hot water, and then we're gonna mix it again. Then add in about 6 tablespoons of sunflower oil and mix it properly again until completely combined and no lumps. And then we're gonna let the batter rest for at least 15 minutes before we make the crepes. If you feel that your batter is still too thick for you, you'd like a runnier batter, just add another half cup to 1 cup of hot water. Now let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. You can also strain this batter, so you will definitely have no lumps, but I'm too lazy, as you know. I will not strain it, just gonna leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. After resting, give the batter a little stir so that they mix again. And now we're gonna brush our non-stick pan with a little butter, and then we're gonna drop a spoonful of batter and make the crepes like so. And then we're gonna fry it until it's a little dry on the edges, and then we're gonna flip it. Once flipped, place the cooked skin or crepes onto a plate and cover it with aluminum foil so they stay warm while you work on the rest of the batter. For the filling, this is 3/3 cup of turo or Hungarian style cottage cheese or farmer's cheese with half cup of sour cream, half cup of icing sugar, no, 1/3 cup of sour cream, not sour cream, sour cream, and half cup of icing sugar with half teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 tablespoon of lemon. We're just gonna mix it. So just beat or mix it until creamy. Lay a crepe, smeared with filling, and then we're just gonna roll it. Nothing hard, just simple roll. Unlike Indonesian style, we roll it like so, but this is Hungarian style, so you just roll it simple way. Lay skin, spread some filling, and sprinkle some soft raisin. You can chop it, and then we're gonna roll it and serve it.